Shabba Ranks' lifestyle, music career, and net worth. Early life and background. Shabba Ranks, born Rexton Rawlston Fernando Gordon on January 17, 1966, in Saint and Jamaica, is one of the most iconic figures in dancehall music. Raised in a humble environment, Shabba grew up in the Kingston neighborhood of Seaview Gardens, a community that significantly influenced his early life and career. From a young age, he showed a passion for music, drawing inspiration from artists like Yellowman and Peter Tosh. Shabba Ranks' distinctive voice and confident delivery helped him establish a unique identity in the dancehall genre. His charismatic stage presence and ability to merge dancehall with global sounds laid the foundation for his international success. Music career. Shabba Ranks is widely credited for popularizing dancehall music on the global stage during the late 1980s and early 1990s. He rose to prominence with hits like Dem Bow, Trailer Load of Girls, and Wicked in a Bed. His gritty lyrics and pulsating rhythms resonated with fans worldwide, making him a household name. In 1991, Shabba signed with Epic Records, marking a significant step in his career. His albums As Raw as Ever, 1991, and Extra Naked, 1992, brought him immense success, with both earning Grammy Awards for Best Reggae Album. These accolades solidified his position as one of dancehall's most successful crossover artists. Shabba's music often blended dancehall rhythms with hip-hop and R&B elements, a strategy that helped him gain mainstream appeal. Collaborations with international artists such as Maxi Priest, House Call, Johnny Gill, Slow and Sexy, and KRS-One, The Jam, further broadened his audience. Despite facing criticism for the explicit content of some of his lyrics, Shabba's influence on the genre remains undeniable. His song Dem Bow inspired reggaeton's signature beat, leaving an indelible mark on global music. Shabba Ranks lives a private and low-profile lifestyle compared to the flamboyance often associated with many artists. While his early career was marked by lavish displays of success, he has since embraced a quieter life. He splits his time between Jamaica and the United States, enjoying the fruits of his labor while maintaining his connection to his roots. Shabba is a family-oriented man who values privacy in his personal life. Married to Michelle Gordon, the couple has 2 sons who have followed in his footsteps by exploring careers in music and entertainment. Shabba Ranks continues to perform occasionally, focusing on legacy projects and live performances that celebrate his enduring contributions to dancehall. As of 2024, Shabba Ranks' net worth is estimated to be around $5 million. His wealth stems from decades of music sales, touring, royalties, and endorsement deals. The timeless appeal of his music ensures a steady stream of income, as his classic tracks remain popular in dancehall and reggae playlists worldwide. Legacy and influence. Shabba Ranks is often hailed as a trailblazer for dancehall music. His success paved the way for artists like Sean Paul, Beanie Man, and Shaggy to achieve international fame. His boldness, unique style, and musical innovations continue to inspire new generations of artists, cementing his status as a dancehall legend.